Whoa, did you see that?
What?
Just everyone chill. Oh my gosh.
Was it a muskie?
It looked like a muskie, yup. Just nobody move. Everybody stay there. I'm gonna cast there again. Oh my God. I had one. Ugh. I would stay back, Luna, in case it's following me.
One? Yeah. Give me.
Well then calm down. Holden. Oh, that was so sweet, Luna. What a good sister. Okay, calm down so you're safe in there. Say thank you, Luna. Holden, say thank you, Luna. Oh my gosh. Fish number like 6 in 2 minutes. This is like our favorite lake, which is funny. When we started the season, well, we all unanimously were like, nope, that's not the lake. But I told them all, me and Sarah were telling them, like, beginning of the season can be horrible at certain lakes and better at some, and then later in the season it's just on fire. Is it a perch again, Everly? You want to release the parasitic perch? All right, Everly. Good boy. Hey, let me see. Show the cameras. Ooh, good boy. Yeah, that's a bass? No, that's a perch. Go ahead, release it. Set it down nicely. Set it down nicely, Holden.
No, I don't have a worm.
Good boy. Oh, another one? Oh, what was that? Was it a perch again? Fish number 5 in 10 minutes. Let me see, is it like a baby crawdaddy? Let me see. Oh man,
Do you
cute.
see how I'm holding it?
Yeah, that's cute.
Hey, can I hold it? Oh, wait.
Oh, can you get